It's a current moment, and I felt it in my bones. I just keep it loaded.
Hey, we got another one done, all right? We got this bad boy wrapped on up. This is part 2 of the walk-ons cleaning. Don't forget, man, y'all go check out part 1, man. Y'all can see how nasty this thing was, the big difference we made, okay? Like I said, man, we got this bad boy knocked out, heavy degreaser, some spinner tips, sodium hypochlorite. It took it all to get this done, man, but we got it done. Hey, my boy Antonio right there, go ahead and go lock him on in. Hey, that's the man right there. That is the man. I'm just trying to play my part. You got me? I'm just trying to play my part. So like I said, we got this one knocked out, man. This walk on, beautiful restaurant. We starting. All right, take a look at this back door. This is the before on the back door, remember? All right, shoot on down here real quick with me. Let's go to this trash can area. Looks like they had a little spill right here at one given time. All right, now take a look at this right here. That's what we're dealing with. It's 19 months of going without power washing. All right, this is what we're here for. All right, as you can see, around this front door, man, is really soiled. All right, look at this. We're gonna take all this up. This degreaser we have works like night and day. You're not gonna believe this.
It's a current moment, and I felt it in my bones. I just keep it loaded. Club, yeah, I've grown. It's clear golden. Damn, with the yeah.
Look at the difference. Y'all think degreasers don't matter? Y'all think degreasers don't matter, huh? Well, I just go get the Zep from Home Depot. It's gonna really do the job. No, it won't. Just like candy. I keep telling y'all, it matters. Once again, I keep telling y'all this degreaser we're using is no joke. It's no joke. It's no joke. Ma, Tonyo, say something for YouTube, baby. Tonyo. Tonyo, they say they love you on YouTube. They love you. They love you. That's my boy here. Yes, sir. All right, this is the finished product. Well, just the majority of the stuff. All right, it's the finished product. Oh man, look, the customers have come back around. You're looking at a difference of night and day. This is what we do. Clip on the pressure washer, clip on the customs. Only thing the customers see is a clean, well put together facility. This is what we do. And here's that nasty spot that y'all guys seen in front of the store. The most heavy trafficked area, okay? The proof is in the pudding. Look at this. Clean, not a spot on it. This is what we do. Degrease, heavy degreaser, dwell time, scrub, come back, sodium hypochlorite. Of course, I sell the 12.5% at my store, so that's no big deal. To brighten that bad boy up, and this is the results. Man, y'all like, click, and subscribe. Like, click, and subscribe. Night and day.